Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box versus Beauteque Monthly Mask Maven. This is for June. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my June Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box and my June Beauteque Monthly Mask Maven just came in. Like I tell you guys, they always ship at the very end of the month. So you normally receive them the first week of the following month. So these just arrived. They're not late. They're on time for their delivery times. So let me tell you a little bit about them. The Beauteque Beauty Box is $24 a month. If you do 6 months at a time, it brings it to $23. If you do 12, it brings it to $22, and shipping is an addition. If the Mask Maven is $15 a month, if you do 6 months, it brings it to $14. If you do 12 months, it brings it to $13 per month. Shipping is in addition. And if you order by the 15th, you get that month's box. That's why they ship at the end of the month, so they can collect other orders, ship them out at the end of the month, and then we get them. Now, I did have a few of you guys. I did this for the first time last month, Beauteque versus Beauteque, and I loved it. So I had a few of you guys ask me to look into another similar mask subscription box called Face Story, and I did. I looked into it for you guys, but unfortunately, they are a little bit more expensive and you get less masks. So to me, that's not worth it. That's not worth me wasting more money for less masks when I can just keep doing this and show you guys something that's beneficial, because you'll get more masks and it's cheaper. So it didn't make sense. So I'm not gonna get Face Story, sorry, but I looked into it. This is just a better deal, and I'm all about bringing the best deals and saving you guys the most amount of money. So I'm gonna stick with my Beauteque. I've been getting this one for well over a year now, and I'm just gonna stick to these. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the Mask Maven first. Since these are just masks, I can shoot through this really quick, and then we'll dive into the beauty box, you guys. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is now the middle of the week, and it's almost 4th of July. Thank goodness I get a day off. They always put it in this really cute bag. And if you hear anything, the rain is a-coming. Yeah, I heard thunder right before I hit record, and now I hear rain. So can't do anything about good old Mother Nature. So they do give you a little card. Last month, they gave us a spoiler for this month, and it is Botanical Beauty. And this is Botanical Beauty. And it goes over the different masks that we have inside. Now, the first one right on top is Carrot Clear Skin. Why we love it? Brighten your skin with this It's Skin Carrot Mask, formulated with fresh and natural carrot extracts. It provides your skin with a natural grow. Your skin's not gonna grow, it's gonna glow. Glow. The carrot mask will bring life back to dull skin for a brighter complexion. So there's number one. Ooh, this is a pretty packaging. They have the best packaging, you guys. This one is Herbs Fit Sheet Mask Chamomile. Look how pretty though. And then it looks like there's actual roses on the actual face mask. That's the actual face mask right there. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like. How cute. I can't wait to try that one. And whenever there's cute ones like this, I'll post it on my Instagram to show you guys what it looks like on my face. So this one right here says why we love it. It's luxurious face mask, features chamomile, which provides moisture to dry skin. This eco-friendly mask made of tentacle fibers helps the serum be fully absorbed into the skin and provide intense moisture. All right, next we have a stem cell callus culture. That's one right there. And what does this one look like? Okay, this hydrating sheet mask contains all the amazing benefits of orchid. Orchid oil brings moisture to the skin and also helps boost the skin's immunity by containing beneficial ingredients such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc. The botanical stem cell mask will help reduce fine lines and leave your skin smooth all day long. my favorite snail essence. Snail essence sheet mask. I got one of these a while ago. My man's like, you're not putting snail on your face? Like, but it's supposed to be good for you. So here is a good old snail face mask. Why we love it. The snail essence mask soothes sensitive skin, leaving it more radiant. Snail secretion, that word just gets me every time. Snail secretion. Snail secretion helps enhance the skin's elasticity, leaving it soft and smooth to the touch. It will also purify pores while providing intense hydration. Get your snail secretion. Next we have a herb essence sheet mask. There's that one right there. Why we love it. This herb essence mask contains 6 kinds of botanical extracts, which help to calm and hydrate your skin. The skin treatment will leave you with a moisturized and silky smooth complexion. Then we have aloe for moisturizing and calming. This contains enzymes, vitamins A and C, which help calm and soothe irritated and sensitive skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. Use often to bring moisture and calmness into your skin. We have Real Mango Essence Pack. That looks really cool. This mask is made from mango extracts that will condition skin, leaving it fresh and revitalized. You can even place the unopened mask in the refrigerator before use for a cooler sensation, making your skin look and feel more refreshed. And you guys, I always forget that. You guys have always told me, put them in the refrigerator before you put them on. I need to just start keeping a few of them in there because I always forget to put it in there. This one will actually go to one of you guys because I don't like the artificial rose scent. So I don't want it on my face to breathe it in. It'll give me a migraine. Real Nature Mask Sheet. So I'll put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys, which is totally fine. This one, where is it? Oh, the picture on here shows a different picture. And I'm like, I know it's roses, but it's a little different. So the star ingredient in this mask is rose extract, which brings intense moisture that will revitalize the skin. This mask will also help reduce redness and soothe irritation. It blends with glycerin and sodium to lock in moisture. Then the last one here, you guys, this one was sent at random. So I'm looking for the picture and I'm seeing cherry blossom. This style was sent at random. So this is a lotus, soothing and purifying. The hypoallergenic sheet mask is great for sensitive skin, formulated with only EWG green grade ingredients. This mask brings powerful and moisturizing ingredients to refresh your skin. So that is all of the masks, you guys. Come in Mask Maven. Holy moly, I love me some face masks. So this is amazing because you get to try a whole lot of them and they're all different and they do amazing things. So now let's go ahead and get into my Beauteque box. Beauteque. So let's get in here and see what we have. I always started with just this one because you always get some type of mask in here. So I thought it was the best of both worlds because you get a mask and you get amazing Korean skincare. But now I'm doing both because I love me some face masks and I wanted to show you both of them, you guys. Because I always tell you they have it, but now you get to see it. So when you open it up, there is tissue paper, there is a little sticker, and it says, "You grow, girl." Like growing, you know? It's a plant, you grow, girl. Alrighty. So the first thing right on top says Rosewater skin pads. So if it's rose scented, you already know. This is valued at $10. Why we love it, the skin pad has all the benefits of rose water, including soothing skin irritation, reducing redness, anti-aging properties, and above all, enhances your mood. This organic farm rose water skin pad will leave your face looking flawless and feeling amazing. After cleansing your face, apply toner pad to dry skin. Rub the rose water skin pad all over your face and neck, avoiding contact with the eyes and mouth. Star ingredient, the smell of rose water can even relieve headaches. That's amazing, but rose gives me a headache, so I'll go ahead and set this aside with the other rose mask for one of you guys to enjoy. Next item kind of looks like it came out of the box. Looks like it's supposed to be in here, but this is a natural moisture balm. There's the outside packaging, and that is what the package looks like. And this is $8. With a silky smooth formula, this lip balm gives intense moisture and hydration to dry lips. Made with shea butter, herbal extracts, and propolis extract, it has everything you need for hydrating lips all day. Star ingredient, top off this colorless lip balm with your favorite lipstick. So there's that. And again, that is valued at $8. Next we have, looks like something else that's probably gonna go to one of you guys because I see roses right on top. And I normally don't put anything from this box in giveaways, you guys. On the body, Sweet Love Body Lotion. Style may vary. Why we love it, this rich moisture is a sweet smelling body lotion made from natural ingredients like shea butter. It keeps your skin very hydrated, but not oily. With the 5-free formula, it is great for all skin types and ages. Star ingredient, it has argan oil, which gives your skin increased hydration. So I'll have to look and see. If it's cashmere, it might not be like rose. I don't know, I'll have to see. Well, I can't really read the ingredients, but I'll have to see. If you guys get Beauteque and you open this, please let me know if this smells like rose or not so I know what to do with it. I would like to use it because I love body lotions. I use lotion all the time. But if it has rose in it, you already know I won't want to use it. So if you do get it, please somebody let me know about that item. If not, you'll see it in a future giveaway, which is totally fine. Next we have, these are little capsules and they look like there's 2 different colors in there. These are Oriental Herb Cleansing Powder. Why we love it. This cleansing powder is a gentle facial exfoliator that helps remove dead skin cells, fine lines, pores, impurities, leaving the skin more radiant. Packed in individual containers containing both elastic and brightening cleansing powders, it's perfect for on the go. So there you go. How to use: open individual capsule and pour out the powder into your hand, your clean hand. Step 2, mix the powder in your palm with water, creating a paste-like consistency. Step 3, massage the paste with fingertips onto your face and gentle circular motions. Oh my goodness. Rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes. Star ingredient, you can add your own facial cleanser to be mixed in with the cleansing powder to create a more effective exfoliation. So there you go. Next we have, here is our mask. And I love when they do the 2 or 3 step, and this looks like a 2-step. So that is cool. Super Vegetox. I'm not sure. But there's the step 1 right on top. And then here is the step 2. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm totally missing all these pricing. This is valued at $12. I told you the lip balm. This is valued at $15. This is valued at $3. And the 2-step mask cleans and soothes skin for a more radiant look. The step 1 Super Vegetox cleanser has exfoliating properties which help remove impurities. Once massaged into the skin, white purification bubbles appear to exfoliate and nourish the skin. Step 2, the sheet mask cleans and soothes skin with 10 green vegetable ingredients, leaving your face with a clear and more radiant look. Star ingredient, the 10 vegetable ingredients help create a pure skin tone with smooth, radiant look. And again, valued at $3. The last item in here, you guys, this is valued at $8, and it is a Cactus Headband. How cute. Let's see here. Look how cute. It has like the little cactus on top, and there is that. And you guys, I do have a lot of headbands, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this. So I don't want to put it on my head and get any makeup or anything on it. I will just put it back in the bag and figure out what I want to do. But I do get a lot of these from time to time, and I don't normally grab them. It's just, I forget about them. So this little guy on the top, little cactus. So I'm just going to hang tight with this because I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but that is simply adorable. If I keep it or if one of you guys end up getting it, it's so adorable. So this cute and fun headband is the perfect accessory for any skincare lover. It will hold your hair in place and out of the way when you cleanse your entire face and even help when you're applying your makeup in the morning. I normally don't. I always cleanse my face like when I'm in the shower. So I'm already all wet and my hair is all wet. So I normally, when I do use these, it's when I'm like chilling at night and I put a face mask on. I don't want my hair to get into my face mask stuff. And like I said, I have a few of them already, so I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. But that is everything that came into the Beauteque monthly box, the beauty box. So again, we got this really cute Cactus Headband, again, valued at $8. We have the 2-step mask valued at $3. We have the cleansing powder valued at $15. We have the Rosewater skin pads valued at $10. We have the nourishing lip balm valued at $8. And we have the cashmere Sweet Love body lotion valued at $12. So the total value for this entire box will be right here for you guys. And that is everything. So which one did you guys like? I mean, obviously the two completely different things. One's all skincare and one's all skincare masks, but which one did you like? For the value, if you're into masks, the Mask Maven is perfect. Again, it's cheaper than the other ones that I've looked into. And I got it because I love Beauteque Monthly. I didn't care if it was more than others, but they're actually less. So that is a plus. And the more months you prepay for, the cheaper that it gets as well. So it even gets even cheaper, you guys. So I am totally loving both of them. I'm going to continue for at least a while bringing Mask Maven on to show you guys both variations every single month. I do love it. I'm so glad that I was able to bring them both last month, and I brought them again this month. And of course I will definitely next month because I got 3 months, but I think I'm going to renew for another 3 months to at least do 6 months of both, maybe even longer. But my Beauteque beauty box, I'm not getting rid of anytime soon. Again, I've already had it for over a year, and that is, and I always tell you guys, my favorite skincare box, hands down, and I'm still just gonna keep rolling with my Beauteque Monthly. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought of these boxes if you get them. And again, if you do, let me know about this so I know what to do. Tell me if this is what it smells like. Somebody please help me out. And yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And leave all of your positive comments down below. I definitely appreciate those. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.